Browse kitchen design ideas before buying custom cabinets. There will come a time when you have to choose what type of cabinets you like for your home, customized or ready-made. It is always a matter of choice by the homeowner. The cabinets inside a room complete it. Only the perfect set will make the room as envisioned by the homeowner. The convenience of ready-made. Some people do not mind buying ready-made cabinets. For them, as long as the cabinet is functional, it does not matter if it was mass-produced or not. Some think that cabinets are for one thing only, storing items. A ready-made one can serve that purpose. Another thing about ready-made cabinets is that they mostly affordable. The fact that ready-made cabinets are available instantly means that you will most likely see it at another home. If you need a cabinet today, you can buy and install a ready-made on the same day.